Hello student, let's try to understand dispersion of white light by glass prism. So how the dispersion of white light take place? You must have seen and appropriate the spectacular color in a rainbow. How could you white light of the sun give us various color of the rainbow? Before we take up this equation, we shall first go back to the refraction of light through prism. The inclined refraction surface of the glass frame, so the excited phenomena. Let's just do an activity. Take a thick sheet of the cardboard and make a small hole or narrow split it in middle. Allow sunlight to pass on the narrow. This gives a narrow beam of white light. Now take a glass frame and allow the light from the slit to fall on one of its face as shown. Turn the prism slowly until the light that comes out it appears on the nearby screen. What do you observe? You will find the beautiful band of color. Why does this appear? So the prism has probably split the incident white light into the band of color. Note the color that appear at the two edge of the corner color blend. What is the sequence of the color that you see in the screen? The various colors seen are the violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. As shown in the figure, the acronym viewer will help you to remember the sequence of color, the band of the color component of the light beam called the spectrum. You might not be able to see all the colors separately, yet something makes each color distinct from other. Splitting of light into component color is called dispersion. You have seen that white light dispersed into 7 color component by the prism. Why do we get these different color of light bend through the different angle with respect to the incident ray? As they pass through prism, the red light bends the least while the violet the bend most. The ray of each color emerges along the different path and thus become the distinct. It is band of distinct color that we see in the spectrum. Isaac Newton was the first to use the glass frame to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. He tried to split the color of the spectrum white light further by using another similar frame. However, he could not get any more color. He then placed the second identical prism in an inverted position with the respect to first frame as shown in this. Allow all the color of the spectrum pass through the second prism. He found that beam of white light energy emerging from the other side of the second frame. This observe gave the Newton idea that sunlight made up of 7 colors. And light that gives the spectrum similar to that of sunlight is often referred as white light. A rainbow is natural phenomena, a spectrum appearing in the sky. After a rain shower, it is caused by dispersion of light by tiny water droplet present in the atmosphere. A rainbow is always formed in the direction of opposite to the sun. The water droplet act like the small rain. They refract and disperse the incident sunlight, then reflect it internally and finally refract it again when it comes out the rainbow. Due to the dispersion of light into the internal refraction, different colors such as reach the observer eye. You can also see the rainbow in sunny day when you look at the sky through the waterfall or through a water fountain with the sun behind you. Now the next one will be atmospheric refraction that we will be studying later on. Thank you.